How do courts determine violations of the Equal Protection Clause? In recent days, the topic of equal protection under the law has gained significant attention. Many are asking how courts determine if a violation has occurred. This question is especially relevant as recent cases highlight the importance of equal treatment in our legal system. Understanding this process can help you know your rights and what to expect if you feel discriminated against. Courts begin by examining if a law or government action treats people differently without a valid reason. The Equal Protection Clause prohibits states from denying anyone equal protection under the law. This is a fundamental principle in our legal system. Next, courts identify if there is a classification that discriminates against a group. This could involve race, gender, or other characteristics. The classification helps determine the level of scrutiny the court will apply. There are 3 main levels of scrutiny. The first is strict scrutiny, which is used for cases involving suspect classes like race. The government must show that the law serves a compelling interest and is narrowly tailored. The second level is intermediate scrutiny. This applies to classifications based on gender or legitimacy. The law must serve an important government interest in a way that is closely related to that interest. The third level is rational basis review, the most lenient standard. This is applied to most other classifications. Here, the law only needs to be rationally related to a legitimate government interest. Courts usually uphold laws under this standard unless they are arbitrary. In recent cases, courts have applied these standards to assess equal protection claims. For instance, a court recently upheld a policy using rational basis review. The court found that the policy had a rational relation to a legitimate government interest. This shows that unless a law targets a suspect class, courts often defer to legislative decisions. When fundamental rights are involved, such as marriage, courts apply strict scrutiny. A landmark case is Obergefell v. Hodges, which legalized same-sex marriage. This case highlighted the importance of equal protection in ensuring rights for all individuals. Additionally, courts look beyond the stated purpose of a law to its actual effects. They assess whether the law disproportionately impacts a specific group without justification. This examination is essential in determining if discrimination exists. Overall, courts evaluate equal protection claims by identifying the classification, applying the appropriate level of scrutiny, and assessing the government's justification. This process is vital in protecting individuals from unjust treatment by the state. Understanding these principles can help you navigate your rights and advocate for equality.